Viewbite.
Imagine a material stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, and grown like a plant. This isn't science fiction, it's superwood. Born from the fusion of nature's genius and human innovation, this material could redefine how we build everything from skyscrapers to satellites. Superwood starts with the humble structure of natural wood, stripped down to its molecular skeleton and rebuilt with precision. The result, a substance that's not just sustainable but actively fights climate change. For every ton produced, it locks away carbon instead of spewing it into the atmosphere, a complete reversal of traditional manufacturing. Picture cities where buildings aren't static giants but living systems. Superwood's lattice-like designs allow structures to flex in hurricanes, absorb vibrations from earthquakes, and even self-cool through microscopic pores. Bridges made from this material could span rivers without disrupting ecosystems, their surfaces blending into forest canopies like chameleons. The magic happens in labs where superwood grows in days, not decades. Unlike energy-guzzling steel mills or concrete plants, its production mimics photosynthesis, using sunlight, water, and engineered microbes. Time lapses would reveal sheets of the material unfurling like petals, ready to be shaped into anything from wind turbine blades to disaster relief shelters. But superwood's reach goes beyond land. Underwater, its porous structure becomes a haven for coral reefs, accelerating marine life recovery. In deserts, panels made from it pull moisture from thin air, turning arid zones into fertile ground. Even space agencies are testing it for lightweight habitats on Mars. Zoom in and you'll find a honeycomb pattern so efficient, it makes beehives look simple. This microstructure allows it to be bulletproof in one form, transparent in another, or even conductive enough to replace wiring. Architects are already dreaming of entire city districts where buildings communicate through superwood's embedded networks. The best part, it's designed to disappear. When a superwood product reaches the end of its life, it doesn't clog landfills. Submerge it in water and it dissolves, leaving behind nutrients that feed new growth. It's a closed loop, mirroring nature's own cycles. As industries race to adopt this material, the ripple effects are staggering. Construction emissions could drop by half, deforestation pressures might ease, and for the first time, human progress wouldn't come at the planet's expense. This isn't just a new material, it's a new blueprint for coexistence. The age of concrete and steel is fading. In its place rises a world where buildings breathe, bridges heal, and every human innovation leaves the earth lighter than it was found. Superwood isn't the future, it's the present waiting to be unlocked.
Viewbite. Quick clips, big ideas. Subscribe and spark your next thought.